for a Shiny Shiny, and I've been invited by LG to come and play their stylish range of TVs. Now, this is a flagship model, it's a Stellar 6100 model, and as you can see, I know it's spinning, but I'm sure you saw before, it's bloody gorgeous. Now, I expected to see a bit more colour, but as I was explained, got a bit of colour on the back here, it's red, and although you won't be able to see it, it's still a nice touch to have on the back of the It's full HD, so we're looking at 1080p. It's got 4 HDMI sockets, 1 USB socket, so if you want to upload some pictures, maybe shame some friends on your TV screen, it's really good for that. It's 42